accidentally sent your precious tokens into the digital abyss, don't panic. This video is your lifeline to understanding how to potentially recover crypto sent to the wrong address from your MetaMask wallet, although full recovery isn't always guaranteed. First, breathe and verify the transaction details on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. Confirm the transaction went through, double-check the recipient address, the token type, and the network you use. This initial investigation is crucial to understanding what went wrong and if there is a possibility for recourse. A common pitfall is sending tokens on the wrong network. If the transaction shows as successful on a different network than intended, bridge your tokens through a cross-chain bridge if supported. Also, carefully review the token's compatibility with the recipient wallet to ensure it can support the token. Unfortunately, if you send tokens to an address you don't control and they are not returned, complete recovery is usually impossible. Private keys are king and control of the funds. Your seed phrase or private keys should never be shared with anyone, including support agents claiming they can recover your assets. Prevention is the best cure. In the future, always double-check the recipient address, use test transactions for larger amounts, and leverage MetaMask's address book feature to save frequently used and trusted addresses if available. Ensure multi-signature options are used. Let's summarize. Always double-check addresses, utilize test transactions for substantial amounts, prioritize security best practices, and be extremely cautious of anyone offering recovery services, as many are scams. This minimizes the risk of future mishaps in the wild world of crypto.